Yes, in the previous video we had seen that chromosomes are paired chromosomes separate out and they move into the gametes and then they are producing the babies. Okay, now when you see the chromosomal structure, children, chromosomes have got genes located on these. Okay, these genes can be also called, these are the genes and these strands which on which the genes are located are called as DNA. So when the DNA separates out, it will be moved into the gamete and along this, it will move into the gamete. This gamete will then produce a new cell in which the DNA plus the cytoplasm will be present. Only then the cell will be formed. So cellular apparatus forming is equally important as the separation of the DNA. Now, importance of variation. Why variation is important? Like I told you that never a DNA gets copied by itself. Why it does not get copied by itself? Because when it is making its own copy, certain variations can naturally occur while copying also. But this copying proves as an advantage for some of the people. Okay, for example, if you think that the parents are having only 5 fingers in their hand and the child might be having a sixth tiny finger, a thumb might be there or a tiny finger might be there. This why it has taken place, because while the DNA was copying from the parent to the offspring, at that time some mistake had been created. Okay, so what is the importance of variation? These variations help the individual to survive in the future generation. Maybe the parent was not able to survive in the harsh weather, but some variations took place in the offspring and he is able to survive. Charles Darwin had proposed the theory of survival of the fittest. What is the meaning of survival of the fittest? Survival of the fittest means that whoever is able to cope up with the changing environment will be the best one out to stand out. For example, I'll tell you that till 5th class you are having science SST, okay, maybe 6th and 7th also you can say that you are having science SST, one book was there, science one book was there, okay fine, max one book was there. But as soon as you move to 9th, SST was divided into 4 different books, okay, history, economics, civics, etc. So 4 different books have come there. So now instead of that one book you have to detailedly study civics, geography, economics, history. Okay, whoever is able to cope up with that change, he will be again at the top only. And whoever will not be able to cope up with that particular change, he will go down. So in case of organisms, what happened, whatever changes in the environment takes place and we are able to survive with that, that organisms are considered to be the best organisms, and these are able to survive because of the variations in them, because that variations have taken place. For example, let us look at us only. That is how we are adapting to the changes in the environment. When it becomes hot, what we do, we use ACs, coolers, etc. That is our method of adapting to the changes in the temperature. When it is cold, we will be wearing the sweaters, we will be taking the blankets. We are again adjusting ourselves to the environment. ये अपन ने कैसे किया? अपन ने खुद सोच लिया कि हमको ये करना है. We did not take out a method that we should develop a fur on our body, then only we will be able to survive. ये तो हमने सोचा ही नहीं कि डॉग्स हैं, कैट्स हैं, इनके जैसे फर होना चाहिए हमारी बॉडी पे, तभी हम सर्वाइव कर पाएंगे ठंड में. ऐसा तो अपन ने सोचा ही नहीं. वी हैव अडॉप्टेड आवर ओन टेक्निक्स. सो वॉट एवर वेरिएशंस आर टेकिंग प्लेस इन आवर बॉडी, चिल्ड्रन, इट ऑलवेज गिव्स आउट अ बेस्ट एवोल्यूशन. And when the evolution of the individual takes place, that is considered to be a drastic change in the environmental conditions. For example, the term niche is given in your book. Okay, have you seen the term that is given in your book? That is niche. This term means a suitable place for an organism to live because of the variations in its body. जैसे मेरा घर है, my house is a niche for me. Why? Because I am adapted to the environment in my house, okay, and whatever changes are there in my house, I am adjusted to that also. So this will be a niche. If in the here where I am standing, I am creating a wall here and now I am not able to see the camera. So ये फिर मेरा niche नहीं होगा, क्योंकि ये variation जो आ गया है ये दीवार का, that has, because of that I have lost the connection with the camera. So niche means it is a suitable place for the organism to survive with the variations, and with variations only the organism also has also started adopting. So when the organism is able to adapt to the changing environments, we call that environment has, individual has adapted to the environment and an evolution has taken place.